Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have the percentage just like I have right now, all you have to do is to tap on the settings, and here in this left section let's tap on the notifications. Here let's enter advanced settings, and as you can see the third option is connected with the battery percentage. Of course in my case it is turned on. If you've got it turned off it will look like it. You will have only the battery indicator, so simply tap on the switcher and as you can see the percentage will be immediately applied next to the battery icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.